Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll need iMovie installed and a recent macOS. Make sure you're an admin. First, open Finder. Once Finder is active, press and hold Option and choose Go Then Library. This reveals hidden app files. Next, navigate to Containers and find COM. Apple, iMovie app. You're accessing the app sandbox where libraries and cache live. Once there, pause and make sure you have space to copy. Creating a backup folder on an external drive is smart before proceeding. Now you'll dive into application support inside that container. Open application support, then iMovie and inspect events and projects. Events holds imported media, projects holds your edits and timelines. Once done, use Finder's Get Info to view sizes and modification dates so you know what to back up. If files look missing, also check Movies/iMovie Library and iMovie Library. Backup. Make sure to copy entire folders, not individual packages, to preserve links and metadata. To finish, copy the iMovie Library package or the Events and Projects folders to an external drive. This preserves media and edits. Then open iMovie while holding Option so you can choose or create the library you copied. Once the library loads, check timelines and relink any offline media. If something goes wrong and files are missing, use Time Machine or re-import the Events folder into a new library. If iMovie won't open, restart macOS and try safe mode before repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.